What's up, everyone? This is Let's Talk About It with Aaron E, and that's me. And in today's video, I'm doing another hotel review in Miami again, and this is the Hampton Inn Downtown Brickell. This is amazing. This is an amazing place. The staff is extremely nice, extremely friendly. Checked me in and was like, "Hey, here's some snacks on the house," and just like unbelievably amazing. I believe I talked to one of the managers. He was the one who checked me in, and Jared. So Miami Brickell Downtown, Hampton Inn Suites. Jared, he's one of the assistant general managers. He is probably the best person to talk to. Just the most friendliest, kindest person. Just wow. So above and beyond this Hampton Inn, usually I'm kind of not really staying at Hampton Inns, but this place is gorgeous. There's a reason why I'm staying here. They redid it last year, and I just love the look. So hit the like and subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Helps me out in a big way. And let's do this quick hotel review. Alright, so here's the exterior of the building. Really, really nice, really tall. I mean, not as tall as the other hotel, but still. Hampton Inn. So, we're gonna go to the lobby area. This is the concierge area, which is nice. So as you come in, nice chandelier. So usually where the concierge is. If you need help getting around town, they're super friendly and helpful. And then, we're gonna head to the lobby. So here is the little bar area. Your little sitting area. And then here is the main lobby, main check-in area, which is cool. I like these seats, super comfy. And then basically here is check-in area. And so here is the check-in area. Super nice. These guys are so friendly, so amazing. Okay, one other thing that I forgot to show. I got this little snack area too. So like I said, when I got greeted in here, they're like, "Hey, it's your birthday, get a complimentary snack." So that was from the manager. So cool. So had to show this little area. Gotta have a go-to area for food. So definitely like that. Just the workout area. Pretty basic, pretty nice. Quiet. Got all the free weights and everything. All right. Wind up getting a corner suite like I always do. So, all right, room 1101. So, as you walk in, So, when you walk in, you've got this nice, you've got your microwave, your refrigerator, you've got this sink, fresh water, which is nice. The mirror, little vanity area, and then as we come in here, so you've got your little sitting area. This is a couch that does fold out to a bed, which is nice. I like the updated artwork here, which is cool. Like the lamps. Once again, this has been redone. Here is your TV. They redid the flooring here. Touch. A little area, and then here is the bed. I'm gonna zoom out a bit. There we go, that's better. So here is the bed. Like I said, the TV area. And then there's the bathroom. Got a little place to have storage. Once again, there's your entrance. And that couch with that fold out bed, a little bit of cool artwork. And then here is your bathroom, pretty basic bathroom. Actually like how the mirror lights out. A lot of the Hamptons, Hiltons kind of have always that look. Your sink, very, very basic on your bathroom, but still nice and cozy, quiet. And then, let me turn. And then here, just a very basic closet, but you do get a free safe. So that is cool. I'm gonna go back out. And then here's the room. And then to show you, here's a view again of Brickell. Love that building, it's so neat looking. And yeah, so it's actually kind of a cool view. So not like the view from the last time, but still pretty neat. And that is the hotel or the room tour. All right, guys, this was just a quick tour of the Hampton Inn. Like I said, this was a short video. Not a very big hotel. It's actually not a bad size hotel, actually. Just, you know, you just got the workout room, the lobby. Basically, just wanted to showcase that, which was a really nice. Unfortunately, the pool, they were doing a few things to it, so that's why I wasn't able to show it. But they said, I believe in the next few days that will be taken care of. But beautiful, amazing place for not being I want to say being under $300, way under 300, actually like more close to $200, being around the $200 range to get a beautiful room like this with a nice view, like literally in Brickell, the heart of Brickell. I think that's key. They offer travel services. They offer so much here. The concierge is extremely nice. Like I said, all the staff, you guys are amazing. These people are just so nice. They cater to you. So hopefully everyone's watching this and they're like, oh, hey, we were on YouTube. So, yeah, so just, yeah, these guys, they go above and beyond. So, something that I was not really expecting. So hit the like and subscribe button down below. Helps me out in a big way. Keep on viewing this channel. I plan to have more content as I keep on going, and try to do some different things for the year. So guys, be safe out there. Enjoy your day. And I look forward to seeing you for another awesome video.